Hello, today we're going to make some really cute snowflake ornaments, and I'm doing that by using a mold and some epoxy resin. And inside this resin, I've already mixed it up, and then I'm going to put some silver and gold foil into it. I'm putting it just directly in there and breaking it up with this jumbo popsicle stick. And if you have any type of clumps in it, just use your popsicle stick to work those out and make sure the mixture looks like this. So it's a 4-pack of snowflake molds you can get on Amazon. I'm going to put the link for these and everything else I used in this video in the description of the video. That way you can find it if you want to buy them. So these molds are really cool because the front of them have a 3D effect. And I'm just going to pour this directly into the snowflake mold. What I like to do with something like this is pour it directly in the middle, and then use the popsicle stick to sort of push it out to the outer edges. The reason I do that is it keeps the mold cleaner. You have less cleanup when you're taking them out of the mold, and it just works better for me. But you can also just pour it however you want and find your own way of doing it and whatever is easier for you. But this is the way I'm doing it. I'm pouring it in the middle and pushing it out with the stick. And I think that it works really nicely to do it that way. And you can sort of move it directly into the area if you need to. And see how thick this is. It's from the foil flakes, but it turns out really pretty and sparkly in the end. So I'm going to take a toothpick. So I have this big thing of toothpicks. And the reason I'm doing this is the little thing that has the hole at the top right there, it doesn't fill with resin well because it's at the top of the mold. So I'm taking my toothpick, making sure resin is all throughout it, and also making sure some of that foil flake gets in there so that it isn't completely clear and it has some of the foil in it in the finished product. So I sped it up. We're going to just do one more this way. And then all 4 of these snowflakes will look the same in the end. I think I decided after this project, because these are new molds to me, I just bought these. I really like them, and I'm going to make some different types of them and give them to my daughter's teachers. I always make them a gift basket, and I put some candles and wax tarts and ornament, some earrings, just a lot of different things that I make, and I put it in maybe some even of my jewelry trays and things. I put them in a gift basket and give that to them for Christmas. So these will be a great addition to that gift basket I make. So let's take them out of the mold. See, there's some sharp edges to this too on some of these the points. So when you turn it over, it's so beautiful. It has a 3D effect. You could also, there's so many ways you could do this. We might do another video of a different way. So you can just put any type of hook on it, or string if you really want it, or fishing line. It's whatever you want to do. I used a hook. And you can get a big pack of hooks if you want for really cheap to finish off your ornaments. And this is going to look so pretty on the tree. I just love them. So please let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I have a ton more resin videos on my channel teaching you how to do things. We'll be doing Christmas videos up until Christmas. I hope that you have a blessed day and a Merry Christmas.